NASA's Explorer 1. A stunning return and a shocking discovery from the edge of the universe. NASA's Explorer 1, one of the most distant human-made objects in existence, is once again transmitting valuable data back to Earth. Despite being nearly 14 billion miles away, this iconic spacecraft, launched over 45 years ago, has recently made a discovery so profound that it has altered the course of its mission, prompting an unexpected turn back toward Earth. But what exactly did Explorer 1 uncover? Could it be evidence of extraterrestrial life, a cosmic anomaly, or something even more extraordinary? In this captivating exploration, we delve into the astonishing revelation that has shaken the scientific community. The story of Explorer 1 is deeply tied to a rare celestial event. Around 50 years ago, the four largest planets in our solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, began aligning in a pattern that hadn't occurred since the early 1800s. Initially overlooked, this unique alignment was first noticed by Gary Flandreau, a Caltech doctoral student working part-time at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in 1965. Flandreau discovered that a spacecraft launched in the late 1970s could use the gravity of each of these giant planets to slingshot from one to the next, drastically cutting travel time. For example, the journey to Neptune could be shortened from 30 years to just 12. But this rare planetary lineup happens only once every 176 years, and the window to act was closing fast. NASA seized the moment, launching two spacecraft, Explorer 1 and Explorer 2, on a bold mission to the outer planets. On September 5, 1977, Explorer 1 lifted off from Cape Canaveral, just 15 days after Explorer 2. Their primary objective was to study the gas giants and their moons, but their mission evolved far beyond initial expectations. These spacecraft surpassed every milestone, venturing farther than any human-made object in history. They explored the uncharted territory of interstellar space and captured scientists' imaginations with their endurance and the wealth of data they provided. Today, both spacecraft are more than 12 billion miles from Earth and still transmitting signals. Their legacy is filled with achievements. Explorer 1 was the first to provide close-up views of Jupiter's complex moons, once believed to be dull and lifeless. It revealed vibrant, active worlds like Europa, with its thick, icy crust hinting at a possible subsurface ocean. Using gravitational boosts, Explorer 1 accelerated through the solar system, eventually heading into interstellar space. Explorer 2 made history in 1986 by becoming the first spacecraft to visit Uranus, where it discovered 10 new moons. 3 years later, it achieved another milestone by passing Neptune, a feat unmatched by any other spacecraft. To preserve these marvels of engineering, NASA shut down non-essential systems on board to conserve power, aiming to keep them operational through at least 2030. For the teams that have dedicated decades to these missions, it has been a bittersweet journey, one that just became even more astonishing. Recently, a groundbreaking signal from Explorer 1 hinted at a new, unexplained phenomenon. While NASA has yet to confirm the full implications, the spacecraft's sudden course adjustment has led many to believe that something extraordinary lies ahead. A new chapter was added to our understanding of the solar system when a distant planet joined the list of worlds known to possess rings. Yet the triumph of Explorer 2's mission was soon overshadowed by heartbreak. Just 4 days after its historic flyby of Uranus, the Space Shuttle Challenger tragically exploded shortly after launch, claiming the lives of all 7 astronauts on board, including Krista McAuliffe, a New Hampshire teacher who was set to become the first civilian in space. 3 years later, as Explorer 2 soared approximately 20,800 miles above Neptune's mesmerizing, methane-rich skies, it made a groundbreaking discovery: the fastest winds ever recorded in our solar system, reaching astonishing speeds of up to 1,000 km/h. It also revealed the hauntingly frigid surface of Neptune's largest moon, Triton. one of the coldest places in the solar system, with temperatures plummeting to 390°. These daring robotic missions continued their cosmic voyages, transmitting data back to Earth that still puzzles scientists today. Their findings revolutionized space science and ignited the imagination of future explorers. But perhaps the most astonishing revelation came decades later, from Explorer 1. After nearly 50 years of travel and over 14 billion miles from Earth, Explorer 1 stumbled upon a phenomenon in interstellar space so mysterious that it forced the probe to alter its course and begin its return journey. The signal it transmitted contained data that defies current scientific understanding, prompting speculation, excitement, and a renewed sense of wonder. Could this be evidence of extraterrestrial life? Or is it a natural phenomenon beyond our current comprehension? Some scientists theorize the anomaly may be a vast, unknown cosmic force, something so significant that it can override what we think we know about the universe. To grasp the magnitude of this moment, it's important to revisit the origins of the mission. Launched in 1977 as part of a twin spacecraft effort, Explorer 1 was designed to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment, allowing it to slingshot from Jupiter to Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune using their gravity, a technique that greatly reduced travel time. The mission exceeded all expectations. Explorer 1 not only explored the outer planets, but also ventured into interstellar space. Along the way, it unveiled active moons, discovered new celestial bodies around Uranus, and studied the dynamic conditions on Europa and Triton. It passed through Saturn's majestic rings and delivered stunning imagery and unprecedented data from the edges of the solar system. After decades of successful transmissions, NASA had begun powering down Explorer 1 to conserve its dwindling energy, until this latest discovery upended those plans. The anomaly it encountered has sparked intense debate and curiosity in the scientific community. Whether the signal signifies alien life, an unexplained natural event, or something beyond our wildest theories, one thing is certain. Explorer 1 has once again pushed the boundaries of human knowledge. As it turns back toward Earth, it carries data that may one day unlock answers to the deepest questions of our existence. For now, researchers continue their analysis, hoping that this remarkable finding will shed light on the mysteries of the universe and perhaps our place within it.